To return an item on Vinted, start by accessing the website. Type Vinted into your web browser's search bar and select the Vinted.com option. Once on the site, you'll see various features, including a search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites list, profile, and language settings. Navigate to your profile, where you'll find options such as personalization, balance, and orders. Click on Profile and look for the section that allows you to upload items for sale and manage your account. To initiate a return, click on I have an issue after the 2-day delivery period has passed. This will give you the option to contact the seller directly or reach out to Vinted's support center to report your issue. Follow the subsequent steps to complete the return process. The entire process can be completed through the Vinted website.